Your Excellency, Valsen Agapitian Shaheen, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Expatriates of the State of Palestine, the Honorable Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak, my partner in crime, and everything good. Senator Robin Hood Padilla, idol. Ambassador Munir K. Anastas, His Excellency Papa Nuncio, the Most Reverend Charles John Brown, Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, Mr. Khalid Hassan, Country Director of the International Labor Organization, also our partner in crime, second. Excellencies of the Diplomatic Corps, colleagues in government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. On behalf of the government of the Republic of the Philippines, I extend my warmest greetings to the Palestinian people as you celebrate the 37th anniversary of the declaration of your country's independence. The Philippines and Palestine have enjoyed warm and cordial ties since the establishment of formal diplomatic relations on the 4th of September 1989, with both countries celebrating 36 years of bilateral relations this year. Your historic visit, Madam Foreign Minister, to the Philippines is reflective of the two countries' shared commitment to further deepen and expand our relations. We are truly encouraged by the positive outcome of the bilateral meeting this morning between the DFA Secretary Maria Teresa P. Lazaro and Foreign Minister Shaheen. I think you exchanged both a candid outlook for the future, and I think it's an unquestionable stand of the Philippines ever since we've recognized the two-state solution, so we've never wavered on the Palestinian question. During the high-level meeting, both sides agreed that it is high time for our countries to forge more robust and practical cooperation in the areas of mutual interest, such as consular cooperation, higher education, labor cooperation, and technical and vocational education. The meeting between Secretary Lazaro and Mr. Shaheen saw the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding on Political Consultation. The structured bilateral mechanism will help both sides to deepen our bilateral relations. The Philippines proudly joins the international community in commemorating the International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian people. The Philippines' support for the two-state solution has never wavered. We firmly believe that genuine and enduring peace will not prevail in the Middle East without the establishment of an independent and viable Palestinian state. As a partner, pathfinder, and peacemaker, the Philippines stands shoulder to shoulder with the Palestinian people in their collective aspiration for enduring peace and prosperity. Mabuhay!
Thank you so much once again to the